Remember your spine, lift up, open. Yeah, we do not have to look behind, we can look forward, that will be okay. Yeah, so try to bend your knees a little bit and move your hands down. If you can touch your ankle, it's okay, it is a sign that you can draw back. How to draw back? And it's very important we must improve our physical spinal flexibility. So if you are looking forward to draw back video and you want to learn from the foundation, so this is video for you. Whenever we're gonna work with increase our spine flexibility, body flexibility, so it's take time, but we need to have proper foundation, proper knowledge of our asana practice. So in case if you have no time and you want to skip the video, that's your choice, but I will never compromise the knowledge. So that's why might be the video can getting a little bit longer, so you have to watch all video. Okay, the first important thing, whenever we practice the drop back asana, we need to have proper warm up, and everyone can drop back. It's depend on our thinking. We have to accept like, okay, I will be flexible, I will be stronger, I will be very healthy again, and in my life, this life, I will be back to my very strong body, strong mind, all. So we have to start thinking positive first. Okay, now there are many techniques to improve the spinal flexibility. The proper warm up, I will tell you the proper warm up technique first, and then we go to the drop back technique for beginner, intermediate and advanced. Okay, the proper technique, you can do 5 minutes for your warm up technique first, and once you done your body warm up, you can swing your body to the one side, stretch. Yeah, swing your body to the other side, look up and stretch. Do not hang your head, lift your head up. Yes. Okay, now bend forward halfway, front, and now right hand to the right waist and move your body to the left and look up. Yeah, this is like a QL muscle activate. Look up. Yeah, we just try to stretch side body first. Okay, now you have activate the warm up. Open your legs wider, hands on your back, open your chest. So hands can be on your hamstring and slowly go down, open your chest just like this. So we don't have to move the pelvic forward. Nah, we don't need to move the pelvic forward, it is automatic. Remember your spine, lift up, open. Yeah, we do not have to look behind, we can look forward, that will be okay. Yeah, so try to bend your knees a little bit and move your hands down. If you can touch your ankle, it's okay, it is a sign that you can draw back. If you cannot bend like this, never mind, you just try to practice this first and slowly come up and go down. Feel free to take a rest anytime. Whenever we feel tired, you can drink water a little bit, keep in your mouth in case if you feel thirsty. Okay, now the next step is try to go down as level 1. Yeah, once we go down, okay, do not look behind first, look forward, same, lift the hands up and down, lift the another hand and down. Okay, next level is lift the hand up and second hand also go down. We need to follow this technique with our awareness. So whenever we are awareing our body, we can do everything. It's important. Okay, so if you want to come up, then you need to move your pelvic to the forward. Bend your knees a little bit, move your pelvic to the forward and move your body to the front, so automatically hand will go up. But remember, if you are very beginner and you have no spine flexibility, so I will recommend you to follow the step by step first. You can ask my personal guidance, I can help you also in case if you are looking forward to improve your flexibility. But in case if you can draw back but you are not comfortable to stand up again, in that case you need to no need to come up, you need to go down just like this. So if you are here and you don't know how to come up because you don't feel comfortable, you open your hands a little bit wider, go forward and slowly go down. Okay, once you're down, it is important to have forward fold flexibility. So increase your flexibility by forward fold. So you can do this posture, Pavan Muktasana, you can do this posture, or you can do Supta Paschimottanasana. Yeah, any posture you can do with your mat. Yeah, so this is like a very basic fundamental techniques, and whenever we are advanced level already, we can drop back, but we don't know how to come up. In that case, we need to work with the wall. So with a wall, so if you have wall, or we have some people can help you also, it is important we should not force ourselves with any asana. Today you cannot do, no problem. Today we can learn the foundation. Today we can learn the technique. If you want to know the technique, you can ask me, you can direct message me, I will help you, no problem. And in case if you have proper foundation, you can improve your practice step by step. It is all about the foundational knowledge. So I'm here for help you. And whenever we are in the advanced level, you can drop back or you can come up. You can drop back and come up like 5 times a day. So this is 5-time practice formula. It can help you to improve your flexibility. Let's say example now, this is for advanced people who can drop back and come up. So they are just do like stay here, open, arch the back, slowly go down, and we need to remember we don't jerk, we slowly do. Yeah, you can keep the fingertips or the palm as you feel comfortable. So once we are here, we can stretch, yeah, stretch like this, try to knee straight, and then slowly, very slowly come up. So whenever we come up, then we bend forward. When we bend forward, Padahastasana, grab your ankles, lengthen your spine, head up, inhale, exhale, head down. So this way we can do like, this is only one time, we can do more 4 times. So in this whole 5 techniques, the 5 times drop back and come up, this 5 principle of the drop back techniques can help you to increase your body flexibility. Then you can do many asanas, you will be very advanced. So this technique and this all videos that I'm trying to make for you and give my effort for my peoples who is watching these videos and my all videos in my social media channels. I very respect all of you, that's why I'm making these videos, and I just want only to see your comment, and if you share this video, it will be very great karma for you to me. So it's to the world, so everyone can have the good knowledge, proper foundation, and healthy living, healthy life. So I will be very happy and see you soon in my next video. Have a good day.